How to create an image reflection in Canva. First, add your photo, then click on the BG remover. Go to the app and type Easy Reflections. Open Easy Reflections and click Create Reflections. Now, adjust the offset to 20 and the opacity to around 40. Click Add to Design and adjust its size. You can flip the reflection and adjust its size by overlapping it on the image. Flip it again and adjust its position. Now take a gradient background color. Change its type and colors to match your image. Go to Elements and type Shadow. Add a shadow element and adjust its size and position. Your design is ready. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.